Hi everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Sentences for Kids. Gather ingredients. Gather ingredients. Get bread. Get bread. Get peanut butter. Get peanut butter. Get jelly. Get jelly. Get a knife. Get a knife. Get a plate. Get a plate. Place 2 slices of bread on the plate. Place 2 slices of bread on the plate. Open the peanut butter jar. Open the peanut butter jar. Scoop peanut butter with the knife. Scoop peanut butter with the knife. Spread peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Spread peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Open the jelly jar. Open the jelly jar. Scoop jelly with the knife. Scoop jelly with the knife. Spread jelly on the other slice of bread. Spread jelly on the other slice of bread. Put the slices together. Put the slices together. Press the slices gently. Press the slices gently. Cut the sandwich in half. Cut the sandwich in half. Eat and enjoy. Eat and enjoy. Thanks for watching us today on Cooking with Sentences for Kids. Happy cooking, everyone! See you next time.